Hello! In this module we will see where it all begins, with what we call the lead. So the lead is a bunch of information that comes from TripAdvisor, inbound requests, and also some of them are created by local planning, which is a marketing team. Let's see how it looks like in Salesforce. First you have in the menu the lead object. You go in there, you have the view of all the leads that we have. Let's click on one of them. Let's take this one. It opens in a tab, and there you have it. We already talked about the structure of the lead in the module about the structure of the objects. So here you have all the information that you need about the new restaurant. And if something is different, you absolutely need to update it. The final objective of a lead is to be converted into an account. But we will talk about this in another module.